Alright guys, welcome back to jforce Gaming, and as you guys can see right in front of me, this right here is the Ultimea X40, alright, 5.1.2 speaker set or home theater speaker set, alright, that comes with Dolby Atmos, alright, so it's really interesting because I've been using this setup right here for my own room, our home theater setup, and I was really blown away by how good it sounds.
Realize, my Autobot brothers, is we were never going to win the war. For the sake of our planet's survival, a deal had to be made with Megatron.
Alright, it is very close to what I experienced in a cinema, but you know, at my own home, which is really crazy, and the sound is truly amazing. So when you get the X40, what are the things you will get? Well, you do get this really huge soundbar right over here with upwards firing speaker. Alright, they call it their neural core engine. Alright, and what does this do is the speakers is facing up, so it fires the sound directly upwards and it bounces back right into you to give you the full immersive, alright, 5.1.2 surround system, alright, that also supports Dolby Atmos. So it's really incredible, and I was watching movie using this setup, alright, it just naturally feels that I am in the movie itself. It is so incredible, alright. And other than that, you will get a pair of this, alright, Ultimea left and right surround speaker, alright, for you know the 5.1.2 basically. So yeah, which is really awesome. Alright, these two speakers all are wireless. The best part about this is all are wireless, so you don't have to connect any cable, and it makes the setup so seamlessly and so easy because you don't need to have a cable everywhere. And because I was doing this in my own bedroom, alright, you know, if there's cables, all this and that, it will be really messy and it's very hard to link it here and there because like the soundbar is on the other end and this two is like on the way at the back, so you need a really long cable, all this and that. But wireless is the best to go for, and the latency is only 20 milliseconds, which is almost instant. So if you're playing games, you need like instant spatial awareness. This doesn't have any problem. The only cable that all of this need is just a power cable and you are good to go. Alright, and over here we have a 6.5 inch subwoofer, and I tell you, this thing can go up to 35 Hz and it's really low, and you know, those like thunderstorms, the bass is just feels so good. Alright.
Hey, Digital! What is going on? What do you think you're doing?
I am a crime. I do not
feel the vibrations and everything, alright, down to your bones. You can feel it into your bones itself. It's so good. I'm really blown away by how good this subwoofer is. Alright, and alright, moving on, we do have a few alright different ports behind here. Let me just bring this subwoofer, this soundbar. Alright, you guys can see behind we have a few ports right over here, and the best part about this is they have a HDMI, alright, 𝖩.𝖥 included inside here. Basically allows 4K HDR pass through, alright, from probably like your media player, your PlayStations or your TV box, alright, directly to your TV or your projector, which is perfect. And they have a HDMI in as well, HDMI to TV, the 𝖩.𝖥 one. They have an audio optical cable, alright. They do have the I think this is the USB and the power cable. So overall, the whole thing is very good, alright, for whatever you want to do, alright. And they do have a forward facing speaker as well, so they're upward firing and forwards facing speaker as well, which can give you this most immersive feeling you have ever had. And the connection, although it's wireless, but there won't be any drop in signal or disconnection because they're using this special 5 GHz technology, alright, that automatically pairs and turns it on, alright, whenever you turn on the soundbar, it auto connects everything and it's lossless audio. Really incredible. You guys can see for the subwoofer itself, alright, comes in this really nice gold ring around it, alright, and the back of the subwoofer is just a power cable and a Bluetooth connection port, alright. That's basically like a on or standby button, alright, at the back, and a power inlet. That's all for this subwoofer, alright. So yeah, you guys can see it's a really huge subwoofer right over here, really awesome, right? It's pretty heavy as well, so I'm not going to bring it up really tiring to just show it to you guys, but you guys can see how nice the gold rings are, all right, even on the soundbar itself, all right, really incredible, really nice aesthetic as well, and it can be placed anywhere you have, or in the living room, in your own bedroom as well, and the sound is just really incredible. And another industry leading thing that this X40 has is the GAN amplification. What does GAN amplification means is, if you are using those traditional or older types of speaker setup, surround setup, all right, those speakers are using normal amplifications, all right, with capacitors, all this and that. But with this one, there's a GAN inside here to prevent overheating, so that it's safe in using like bedrooms or like places that some will even burn down the house because of like all those things that are using the traditional amplifiers. But this one, they are using GAN, which makes sure that it stays cool while giving you the enough wattage and amplification that you need for really, really loud and immersive movie experience, music listening experience that you have out there. And this thing also does support Bluetooth as well, you guys can see, all right. And the Bluetooth, you guys can just pair with your phone, anything else, all right, and you guys can just play music through it. And believe me, when I play music through this, it sounds so clear that it just feels like the singer is just right in front of me, singing right in my room, which is really, really incredible. All right, so yeah, this set of speaker are really one of the best one you can get out there. All right, they do have the X60 and X80 version if you want like a 7.1.2 surround sound, but 5.1.2 is perfect for me, and it's just nice for my room. And you guys can see, watching movie, it is such an amazing experience, all right, like I say, and it's just a very close experience if you are watching this in the cinema, all this and that. All right, it just feels like if you're watching in the cinema. So if you're watching in cinema versus you're listening to this one in your own home, it just feels almost identical. So it's really, really incredible. You have to try out to hear it for yourself, all right, to really feel how this thing actually sounds. So even I invited my dad over to my room to listen to it, and he was blown away by how good it is, all right. And he just said that this is amazing. You don't have to go to the movie theaters anymore. It just sounds like if you're in the movie theater. The subwoofer is really, really good, all right. This subwoofer, as long as you place it in the correct corner of the room, the whole room just sounds like, the vibrations and everything just feels like you're immersed in it. That's really incredible point about this. And yeah, there's nothing I can complain about this, all right. And they do come with like a few mounting tools, all right, all over here, so you guys can just mount it on the walls, all right. And even for this one as well, they have 4 different mounting tools. You guys can see they have 4 different mounting holes all over here, all right. So you guys can also drill holes onto your wall and mount this directly onto the wall itself if needed, if you want to. So, and all of it, you guys can control it using the remote right over here, all right. And the remote, they have a lot of functions as well on the remote itself, all right. You guys can also change the up firing level, the bass level, all right. And you guys can adjust certain EQ mode or surround mode as well on the remote, adjusting the volume, turning on Bluetooth, changing different channels, input, all this and that. You can directly control from the remote itself. Other than that, you guys can also use the app itself by downloading the Ultimea app from the Google Play Store or the App Store itself. And from the app, you guys can have more controls and more features using the app itself, especially when you are selecting your equalizer. So if you go to the equalizer part of your app, you guys can select some preset equalizer. All right, if you're watching a movie, you guys can switch the equalizer to the preset of movie watching, music listening, gaming mode, night mode, etc, etc, so that some preset is more fine-tuned for a certain specific type of listening you are listening to. So which is really cool. But if you want to have more control over it, they also have presets. They also have an equalizer where you guys can set your own, right, and adjust to your own liking. So which is really, really cool. And you guys can also manually adjust the slider for the bass and everything. You guys can also adjust it up to your own liking as well, which is really awesome. And with the app itself, you guys can also go ahead and update the firmware itself from the app itself, so you guys can have the latest firmware that is updated for your Ultimea setup, all right, to ensure that everything works seamlessly and everything works awesomely, all right. Yeah, so this is one of the more incredible setup I have ever experienced, and all the time I was like, you don't need this kind of like home theater setup in your room, especially because when I'm watching, I just use my projector speaker, right? Although it sounds good, but with this one, it takes it to the next level. So if you really want something that to experience, like, true cinema experience that you experience in the cinema, those sound system, all right, you guys if you get this, all right, you guys can actually feel that you are actually in a literal cinema, but you're just in a room. So it's really incredible, and I'm really blown away by this. All right, Ultimea X40 5.1.2 Dolby Atmos surround sound system or home theater system. So if you're out there looking for a budget-friendly yet doesn't compromise on the sound quality and give you every single detail that you need, all right, for a great movie watching experience or great music listening experience, you guys can check out this set of Ultimea, all right, X40 5.1.2 Dolby Atmos, all right, soundbar, subwoofer, and 2 speakers at the back, all right, for the full surround experience. So yeah, so once again, you guys check out this Ultimea X40 setup. You guys can check out the first link in the description down below and start transforming your room into a movie theater. All right, so yeah, that's all for today, guys. For this video, very interesting, or you want me to review other, similar sound system or any other thing, you guys can let me know in the comment section as well. And once again, you guys check out this, all right, Ultimea X40. You guys can check out the first link in the description down below and get this for yourself right away. So yeah, that's all for today, guys, and this is 𝖩force Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.